I don't know. I mean, what should I do? But anyway, Excellency, Datu, Muhammad, Azhar, Mizlan, and his team, we are so blessed with your presence over here. On behalf of the Chairman, Board of Governor, Mr. Asim Nazir Ahmed, the entire governance team, our Dean, Director, faculty, students, they all are here to welcome you, Excellency. Our honorable friend from one of the strongest Muslim nation is with us to celebrate the day as well as to interact with each other. My chairman said, that I am probably remembering Malaysia. That is right. I just want to share with you, I always think about this one. If Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala decide that where should be the paradise on the earth, of course, Langkawi and all these, they are good, but Gembang is the most beautiful valley, where you go over there, where you see every tree over there. You have seen Malaysia, but Malaysia is more prettier than the video which we have seen right now. So these were my good days in Malaysia, Faculty of Industrial Science and Technology. My good friend, Mr. Daing Nasir, he was a vice chancellor over there. He came to visit me in UAE, and he said, Muhammad, you are going with me tomorrow. I say, Excellency, I have a contract over here. So he said, contract doesn't matter, friendship matter. I just requested him within 2 weeks, I will take care of him. He sent me letter, everything, and after 2 weeks, I was on my way to Malaysia and spent my time over there. These were the wonderful people with whom I spent my time.
All the students here, you should take advantage of your opportunity here to be at the Southern Punjab University. I think by far, I've been visiting many universities here in Pakistan. I've been to Quaid-e-Azam University, I've been to Ripah University, Bahria University. But today, honestly, I felt different vibes. I can feel the, positive vibes here in this city of Multan. Speakers before me have already spoken so many things about Malaysia. I don't think I have to speak more because the testimony is already been reflected by those who have been to Malaysia. And let me also mention here that I have been in Pakistan for the past 3 years, entering my 4th year almost. And I just want to tell all of you here that Pakistan is a blessed country. So apart from political relations that we have been having, Malaysia and Pakistan have been having a very good political relationship. Our leaders, Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim, Prime Minister of Malaysia, and Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif, Prime Minister of Pakistan, have been engaging with each other very closely, and they always over the phone discussing about matters of importance between the two countries. And your Deputy Prime Minister, Ishaq Dah, and Foreign Minister, is also a very close friend of my Foreign Minister, Muhammad Hassan. So I just want to narrate to you all of this to tell you that we are like brothers and sisters. I visited your building just now, the creative industry block, and I just want to commend the role played by Mr. Chairman here regarding his vision to turn this university into a premier private sector university in Multan. Let me talk about education sector between Malaysia and Pakistan. Pakistan is one of the top 5 countries in the world who have students in Malaysia. Now you have about 5,000 plus Pakistani students studying in Malaysia. We are inviting more Pakistani students to come to Malaysia to look at Malaysia as their center of education excellence. Now we have about 170,000 foreign students in Malaysia. We have about 10 to 15 public universities, and we have around 30 to 40 private universities in Malaysia, and some of the universities have twinning programs, like from Australia, from the United Kingdom, from America, from the United States of America. So instead of going to, for example, instead of going to London, might as well you go to Malaysia, and you can get a degree from United Kingdom, but you study in Malaysia. And the cost-wise, it's 1/6 cheaper than going to London or the UK. This is what we are trying to promote. And you are having a Muslim environment in Malaysia, multicultural environment, and because our racial relation among community there, inshallah, alhamdulillah, at the moment, still good, and it will be continuously good, inshallah. Some of the faculty members, 4 or 6 of them have been to Malaysia. They have experienced themselves, and Chairman Sahab also has been to Malaysia many times. We would like to invite more Pakistani students to come to Malaysia and study in Malaysia. I see there is potential between this university to collaborate more with our university. Apart from University Malaysia Pahang, you can explore further collaboration. We are living in an artificial intelligence world, whether we like it or not. We cannot close our eyes vis-a-vis regarding this development. We have to face this technology advancement, whether we like it or not. I was told by Higher Education Commission of Pakistan, it is compulsory now in Pakistan to have module on artificial intelligence in whatever course that you are taking. We can collaborate with University of Southern Punjab. Honestly, we need to bring more Malaysian students here. At the moment, we only have a handful of Malaysian students in Faizabad. And we have also in Karachi about 75 students in Bainuria University. I had my engagement a couple of days back. I told the media people in Islamabad, Pakistan is in the news now, global stage, for 2 main things. One, because of the World Cup. The soccer ball come from Sialkot. Number 2, because of the peace process between the US and Iran. So Pakistan has a major footprint globally now. If you want to, canvas the global scenario of the moment.